Good evening. This is HT Views on Current Affairs. In my last talk, I had mentioned about how all bank deposits should be fully secured. That was HT Views 28 of 11th December 2021. I had mentioned that there is no reason why any fixed depositor should lose any money because there is such very real possibility that the banks can take risk insurance and the depositors can be protected 100%. A day or two back, the PM announced two things. One is he announced that the limit is now 5 lakhs and that the depositors would get their money back within 90 days instead of the 5 year, 7 year, 10 year period that is on at the present moment. There is no doubt about the fact that the time tenure that he has given is a very competitive time period. And congratulations to him and the finance minister for having come up with this timeline of 90 days. To get all your money back in a quarter is a challenge, and I'm sure they will be able to live up to it. But I still say, why this limit of 5 lakhs? It's an artificial limit. The newspapers are stating that as Gujarat's chief minister, he had written to the government and RBI that the limit of 1 lakh is a very artificial and small limit, and that limit needs to increase at least to rupees 5 lakhs. That was Narendra Modi as Gujarat chief minister informing the government of India of that time, that is pre 2014. Between 2014 and 2021, as we are talking today, 7.5 years have passed by when he has become the Prime Minister of India. The 5 lakhs rupees that he had mentioned then are worth more than 7 lakhs because of the depreciation of the rupee that is happening every year due to inflation. So that 5 lakhs is at least 6.5 to 7 lakhs today. So the cover should not have been for rupees 5 lakhs. The cover should have been for 7 to 8 lakhs. Which brings me to a very important point. Why do we have limits which are non-indexed? Why do we have limits which are non-indexed? When you have a law which covers an individual, which is for public good, public benefits, why don't you put an indexation into it? So you don't have to keep changing the law. And Parliament doesn't have to sit every time to say that this limit from 5 lakhs is now being made to 10 lakhs, is now being made 15 lakhs after 7, 10, 15 years. Why? There are many cases, many laws where indexation can work wonders. That is an income tax law, you can do it. You can do it so far as this banking banking regulation is concerned in terms of limits of deposits that are secure. There are so many places where the individual is involved in whatever is happening to him. And that can be easily resolved by proper indexation limits being made a part of the law itself. So every year, the government of India just has to announce that the index has risen or dropped by rupees so much. It will hardly ever drops, it is always rising. And therefore, this limit, which was rupees X, is now X plus so much percent. It solves such a lot of problems. It does not need legislative intent. It does not need legislative sitting. It does not need parliament wasting its time for things that are what I would say rather academic and required to be done anyway. So I sincerely hope that the Narendra Modi government, which has removed so many useless laws, over 250,000 laws have been removed, will now sit down, analyze the laws, look where indexation can be a great benefit, and bring in changes in those laws so that at one time there is an indexation that happens right across and we don't have to look at those laws ever again unless Parliament feels that there is need for a major change, which is, of course, legislative intent and business, and it just goes through. That's all. So, my personal request is to this government, which has put a timeline for payment, and it is a wonderful thing that they have done. Please, whatever laws relate to the consumer and the people, please, wherever possible, use indexation as a methodology so that one does not need to pass amendments over and over again. With this, I close my talk of today. I hope you are enjoying it or liking it. If you are liking it, please share with your friends, colleagues, groups, etc. Till then, this is good day. Goodbye. See you again. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Mumbai.